students, this is Amit Chawla, your physics mentor. Let me tell you something about force and pressure exerted by liquids and gases. It will be easier for us to understand if we look at this visual graphic. You have seen many a time a garden hose is a flexible pipe attached with a sprinkler at the end. When the water is supplied from the other end, the water will pass through the sprinkler in all directions. So what you observe is water spreading out of sprinkler with equal force and in all directions. Let us do something similar with a plastic bottle. Take a plastic bottle and make 3 holes at the same height. Close all the holes with a tape. Fill the bottle with water and remove the tapes later. On removing the tapes, you will observe that water is flowing from all the holes simultaneously and with same pressure. Here we can conclude that water comes out evenly, irrespective of the direction. So what we can conclude is that liquid exerts pressure in all directions. Let's perform another activity. Take a bottle and now make 3 holes at 3 different heights. Fill the bottle with water. And now what you can see is water exiting from 3 holes at different speeds, that means different pressures. What you will observe is the water at the top is releasing with slowest speed, that means lowest pressure, and the water at the bottom is releasing with highest speed and hence highest pressure. So from this we can conclude that water exerts pressure more at more depth.